Hey, welcome back to my channel. I want to start this video with one of my personal stories. It was middle of 2023. I was in the lab doing research peacefully. One of my friend came to me and asked, "Hey, do you know how can I set multiple names of a Obsidian node?" And he asked me, let's say I have created a new node just a few hours back and I set the name to power system. But next time when was looking for that name, I forget the name that I already set. I searched for different name, nodes on power system, but I couldn't able to retrieve the node. Then how can I set multiple names when I'm creating a node so that in future, if I forget the name of the node name, I will be able to retrieve that. I said, cool, this is very good question because I have been doing that for a long time. So I was happy he asked that. So one of the fundamental goal of making notes is thinking about your future self. Let's consider that you are making your note right now, but after 1 or 2 years later, you will not be able to remember that note names, right? So it is good idea to set multiple names of your note so that if you just put any keyword related to that note, you'll be able to retrieve that. So let me show you how to do that. So before moving into a step-by-step guide, I want to show you an example. So for that, let me open my blog node. So this is my blog notes where I manage all of my blog posts, ID and everything over here. You can see I already have posted maybe 70 plus blogs in my blog. And whenever I write any blog, I just write over here and click this button, which automatically posted into my blog, which is pretty amazing. I developed this pipeline. Maybe I'll make a video in future about it, but that is not the topic today. The topic is I have a note over here, blog idea hub. That is the name. You can see blog idea hub. And the thing about this, or I have any quick blog idea, I want to keep that idea over here. But the thing is like most of the time I fail to remember the name. So that's why I put multiple names over here. All blog ideas, my blog ideas. Okay. Now let's try with all blog ideas. Let me open quick switcher, all blog ideas. You can see the first node is all blog ideas. Try with my blog ideas. Okay, let's try again my blog ideas. So you can see that this way I can set multiple names of my node so that whenever in future, if I just search with any keyword close to that, I will be able to quickly grab that node within seconds. So that is the idea of making nodes in Obsidian so that you can access it quickly within just 1 or 2 keyboard shortcuts. Yeah, let's go to the step-by-step process. To show you a step-by-step process of setting multiple names of your node in Obsidian Vault, I have created a complete fresh new vault so that I do not want you to miss any steps. Okay, I will go with setting first, then core plugin, and at the bottom you will find templates plugin. So just enable templates plugin. Okay, next step, I will create a new folder name my templates, and then I'll go to the templates plugin again and set or select the template folder location, which is my templates. Okay, now my template plugin knows where my templates are. Okay, now I have to create my first template. Let's actually close all of those nodes. My first template, my first template. So this is the template all of your nodes will use, and whenever you use this template, you will be able to set multiple names of your node. Okay, so next thing you have to do is press -3 times, 1, 2, 3. So it will bring the YAML frontmatter automatically. Before I have to do that manually, but I'll show you how to do that manually as well. And over here you will set aliases where you set multiple names of your node. Okay, so let's say this is not automatically coming. How do you actually set it? So open the node from your System Explorer. And if you open the node from your System Explorer, you will see something like that, right? My first template. And open this node using Notepad, and you see what you have to do. You have to just set 3 dash and aliases colon and into 3 dash. You can set more property over here if you want, but to keep the tutorial simple, just keep the alias and save it. You can do this manually as well. Okay, let me close it. Now my template is ready, and let me close the template as well. Let's create first node, and that is my first node. Okay, and then I will insert the template. So template is like every time I'm creating new node, I'm just following particular template for that particular node. So let's insert the template from here. Insert template in the left sidebar, and then I'll select my first template. Since I have only one template, I do not have to search it. I can select from here. So you see, just first node. Okay, let me write something. I do not want to write something meaningful. Okay, over here. And now I forget that my node name is my first node. At one point, I started searching my node using the quick switcher, my second node. You see, although my node name is my first node, the quick switcher is actually searching using my second node aliases as well when I'm searching for first node, which is really awesome. I believe now you understand how you can set multiple names in your folder. And I have also posted this as a blog inside my blog. You can look into that as well for future reference. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe. And also, if you have any questions or any queries regarding Obsidian or Second Brain tutorial, just put your comment over here. And see you then.